Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to see about aggregate transformation in a AWS Glue. So with practically we are going to see. So let's understand what is a aggregate transformation. Aggregate transformation is used to group the data and calculate summary like sum, count, average, mean, max. So it's similar to the SQL. In a SQL we have a group by function, right? It's similar to that only. For taking example, suppose I have given one data. This is my input data, employee data is given. Here employee ID, name, country and the salary is given. So you can see for this employee he is from India and his salary is 30,000. Similarly, Anu he is from India and salary is 40,000. Like that all the employee ID and the country and the salary information is given. My requirement is like I had to find out based on the India, based on each country, right? What is the total salary? So you can see in India, what is the total salary? 30,000 plus 40,000, right? 70,000 is the total salary. Similarly, in US, what is the total salary? 50,000 plus 60,000, 1,10,000 is the total salary. Similarly, in UK, what is the total salary? 45,000. Means I want to find out the aggregate here. Based on the country, I want to find the aggregate sum. So in this case, what actually we use? In SQL, we use a group by function, right? And in a AWS Glue, if we have to do this, we can use a aggregate transformation. So it's very simple. Let's do a practical and let's understand. So I open my AWS Glue. So I'll show you my bucket first. This is S3 bucket. So I have created this order folder and here order all the CSV file is here. I'll go to the AWS Glue, come here, go to the Visual ETL. I'm going to create one AWS Glue Visual ETL. Click on the Visual ETL. I'm going to create one ETL job. First thing I have to select the source. Source is Amazon S3. If I select this, I have to pass the path where our file is available. Order data bucket. This is the order folder. Select the format, CSV format. Now if you want to see the data, right, left side you have to select the IAM role, like what we are doing from previous video. Also we are doing the same thing. We have to start the session. Now you can see I am able to see my data, order ID, amount, country, payment type. My requirement is like based on the country, right, what is the total amount I want to find out. Based on the country, what is the total amount aggregate I want to do based on the country. So suppose here India 100 is there, right? Similarly India 150. So I want to do based on each country what is the total amount. Before to that, first thing you have to remember, this all the things are in string. So first you have to convert into a proper data type. So what we will do, we'll apply change schema first, so that our amount should be in a proper. I want amount should be in integer. Salary also I want in integer. Order ID also I want in a integer. First we have changed the schema. Now after that we'll apply a aggregate. So click on the plus. Below you will see one aggregate transformation. So select this aggregate transformation. Click on this. Now in the right side you can see fields to group by. Which particular field you want to group? I want to group based on the country, right? So I will select that. Now aggregate and column. What is the aggregate you want to do? I want to do based on the amount. I want to find out the sum. You can see here multiple. If you want to find out the average, you can do. If you want to find out the count of distinct customer, that also you can do. If you want to find out the what is the maximum based on each country, that also you can do. So different options are available. Based on that you can select that. Now this condition I applied. Left side you can say I'm getting the output. For the UK, what is the total amount? 1200. Similarly for India, this is the total amount. Similarly, if you want to find out the average, if you have to select the average, then what will happen? Average will be calculated. You can see average amount it got converted. You can see average actually it is calculating. So like that actually it's similar to the SQL. In SQL we write a group by and the sum function, right? It's similar to that only. Similarly for each country, what is the maximum amount, that if you want to find out maximum you select, you will get the what is the maximum amount each country, you will be able to see that. So I hope you got the idea. It's very simple. Do practice.